Got a restroom. Here we are on 3 and 4. 3's on the right here. This is obviously one of the worst sites because it's not on the riverside. I will also say, look at the proximity. Got 4 right here, 3 right here. Please bear in mind, today's January 30th, 2024. This pool of water will not be here. It is in the middle of winter and freezing and foggy. And this also allowed me to come and review all these right now when nobody's here. So 4 is pretty awesome on its own merits. Look, you got the raging, roaring Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River, moseying on by, flowing downstream. And look at this. You got your own direct shoreline access. A little steep there, but most able-bodied people will be able to do it. You can get right down to the shoreline. Got multiple access points here along the river. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is spot 4. So this is pretty awesome. And you see all this river access. But having 3 right here is pretty awful. So my recommendation would be you grab 3 and 4. 3 is more of a defensive block. Like you grab both of them and get a group. Obviously the group's gonna hang out on this side. On 4, put your tents where you want. Basically you're all sharing 4, but you've grabbed 3 just as a defensive play so you don't have some strangers up in your business. That's how I would handle 3, 4. Coming up to spot 1 here. Long driveway. That's cool. And ooh, I think I see 2 picnic tables. This is probably a doubler. Kind of the old model of campgrounds is you have 1 or 2 picnic tables, determines if it's a single or double site. This is presumably then a double site, considering the long driveway. The 2 picnic tables absolutely makes sense. It's a double site. And look at this. 2 picnic tables, fire pit obviously behind them, between them, right there. And look at this access to Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River. This is gorgeous. Love that juniper tree straight ahead, kind of framing the perspective. Come on down here, you're on the edge of the campground, so you don't have anybody this way. And look at that perspective of the river from right here. That is gorgeous. Get a long, expansive scope shot of the beautiful Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River. This is gorgeous. I would probably situate my chairs over here somewhere, and you're right on the end of the campground, so you got maximum privacy, got your own swath of Lower Deschutes River to yourself. This is beautiful, my friend. This is epic. Look over here. So let's take a perspective from the campsite. So here's where you're at. This is your domain. You do have 2 right next to you straight ahead. So if you really want to be bold, if you have a big group, you can grab 1 and 2. 1's a double, 2's a single. And then you have this wing of the campground all to yourself. That could be pretty cool. You wouldn't really have any other campers in your business. The main road of the campground goes over there a little bit, but that shouldn't be too much of an annoyance. So that's my recommendation. Grab the whole wing to yourself. If you've got a double and you just want to do campsite 1 beyond the edge, that works. But if you really want a huge privacy play, grab 1 and 2. 3 and 4 are a ways down there, long road between them. So you're basically capturing away the campground for yourself. So that might be the best group situation here. I'm still reviewing all the sites, so I'll say at the end what I think. But right now I'm really loving grabbing 1 and 2 as a group wing of the campground play. Maximum privacy and maximum beauty, capturing a huge swath of Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River to yourself. This might end up being over here at the end of one of the best viewing zones of the entire campground. I mean, this is pretty epic. Put my seats over here, a couple of chairs, Cabela chairs, whatever you have, and come down here and enjoy this beautiful river. Kind of a lazy portion of the river. This isn't a white water rapid section, but it's actually kind of medium pace. It's not a lazy slow river either. It's got a little bit of a sense of urgency to it. Oh, this is gorgeous. We're here at the boat dock, Trout Lake Campground, Madras, Central Oregon. That right there is the mighty Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River. It's operated by BLM, Bureau of Land Management. This, my friend, is the boat ramp. You can see it is not paved. It's gravel, but it is matted down gravel. Looks very usable. Got a little picnic table on the right, little day use section you can use while you're trying to load your boat and launch your boat. And look at this. This is pretty darn epic. Whether you're fishing, whether you're just enjoying some lazy river, this is epic. We're here at Lower Deschutes River, National Wild and Scenic River, here in Madras, Central Oregon. And coming up to a pretty epic day use spot, but I always love stopping and checking out these placards. I will leave it right here. You can pause it if you want to read that. I'll get a little closer. You can pause that if you want to read that. We've got ethereal fog rolling down from the canyon, obscuring our hills. We've got the roaring and raging Lower Deschutes River moseying on by. Standing here at a pretty epic day use site here on the edge of Trout Creek Campground, east side of Deschutes River, Madras, Central Oregon, Bureau of Land Management. Got a pretty cool placard here, and I'll pan over here to the left. We've got the trailhead for Trout Creek Trail, which hugs the shoreline of Lower Deschutes River. This, my friend, absolutely beautiful. As I drove by, something about this sign struck me. Future generations will remember us for the roads we don't build. Stuart Udall. I think there's a lot of truth to that.